Okay, here we go, people. 545 miles on the bike itself, about 50 miles on the motor, 45, something like that. Just put the new motor on 2-3 days ago. Doing pretty well. Basically had to relearn how to ride the bike because you can no longer go full throttle on it and still be able to pedal. Actually, you could ride the thing like a silly motorcycle if you wanted to. Just a little bit difference in voltage. I'm down to, I think this says 35, I don't know if you can see it or not, 35.6 after my 20-mile bike ride. Usually I was about 37, so I'm about 1.5 volts lower, maybe 2 volts. Not enough for me to worry about. Running good, a lot faster than what I anticipated, but still a lot of fun. Got any questions, hit me up. Got any comments, hit me up with those too.